So hello to everyone. I am Miss Kimberly from Group 5 and I am the first reporter to report the topic about diseases of turkey and peafowl, including their symptoms, prevention, and control. So first, let's know what is turkey and peafowl. So turkey and peafowl are both large, colorful birds that belong to the same family, the Phascidae. Both share some similarities, but they are also have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Turkeys are larger and more social birds, while peafowl are known for their elaborate plumage and vocalizations. Both birds are omnivorous and prefer habitats with a variety of food sources. Aside from that, they are also prone to diseases. So, what are those diseases or the common diseases? First, let's find out the common diseases of turkey. The first one, avian influenza or the bird flu. It is a disease of the birds caused by infection with avian influenza virus, a viral or common disease that can cause a respiratory problem such as coughing and sneezing, and can also lead to diarrhea and a drop in egg production. So, the avian influenza or the bird flu, this is common to us, right? We heard this virus from the television or from the people around us. What are the symptoms or signs of this avian influenza virus? No, the signs and symptoms of bird flu virus infections in human range from no symptoms or mild illness such as eye redness. So this is one of the symptoms or signs of the bird flu, or mild flu-like upper respiratory symptoms to severe illness such as pneumonia requiring hospitalization. So other than that, no, there are symptoms that include fever or feeling feverish, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffed nose, headaches, muscle or body aches, fatigue, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing. So we have the common diseases of a turkey, the symptoms, no? The next one I am going to report the prevention and control of this bird flu. The effective strategies for controlling and preventing worker exposure to avian influenza depend on the risk of exposure and the work tasks performed. Appropriate precautions are critical to protect high-risk workers. If avian influenza is detected in risk or wild birds and population, there are some preventions of avian influenza or the bird flu. To protect the high-risk workers, if avian influenza is detected in bird population, we need to keep poultry flocks isolated from wild animals and wild bird popularities, so that kung naay diseases or naay lang mga symptoms, dili siya dali nga makatakod even sa mga workers, kay sila man ang nagapakaon sa mga birds, sa mga turkey. They are going to keep the poultry flocks isolated. Sa nga nga paagi, dili makatakod sa mga tao o sa lain nga mga poultry flocks. So, the second one, restrict visitors to poultry farms. Kailangan pod nga magbantay og kinsa tong mo bisita, kay or limitahan na ay mga visitors nga mo visit sa farm para ma-prevent or to control the virus, from spreading. So the third one, provide workers with clean protective clothing, equipment, and disinfection practices that include equipment and vehicles entering and leaving the farm. So, aside from that, sa pag-restrict sa mga tao, kailangan sab og na ay mga protective clothing or some kanang protective equipment nga kailangan to prevent nga mo-spread ang kung namanggani flu nga mahitabo. And in that way also, include pod ang mga equipment and vehicles, so that kanang mas makontrol ang pag-spread sa virus.
Good day, Mom. Good day, classmates. I'm the second reporter for the Group 5, and our topic is all about diseases of Turkey at Peafol. My topic is all about coccidiosis disease. Coccidiosis disease is a protozoal disease causing diarrhea, weight loss, and decreased production in poultry. What are some symptoms? The symptoms of coccidiosis in Turkey may include drunkenness and depression, pale comb, water, mucus, and blood in the droppings. Ang blood is nato diha indication of cecal coccidiosis, loss of appetite, loss of condition, ruffled feathers, sweaty swelling around the vent, or more commonly in intestinal coccidiosis. Kini nga sakit is makita nato sa atong mga bird, sa atong mga manok. Once nga kanang feeling bitaw nga naay something sa ilang intestinal, sa ilang ilawom nga part sa lawas, mo nang magkalibanga sila, kung sa tao pa magsuka, something in ana. Prevention and control. Para ma-prevent nato ni siya and ma-control, naadri ang mga ways kung unsaon nato. First is practical methods of management cannot prevent coccidial infection. Poultry maintained at all times on wire floors to separate birds from pieces that have fewer infection. I-separate nato ang atong mga chicken nga dili sila mahawaan sa uban nga naay sakit. And purchase vaccination of bird. Mao jud na pinaka the best na to prevent the diseases of our bird. The third diseases is Marek's disease. Marek disease is another disease that can affect turkeys. It can cause tumors, paralysis, and other neurological problems. Also, this disease is a highly contagious viral disease of poultry characterized by T-cell lymphomas and peripheral nerve enlargement. Kini nga disease, Marek disease, is kana bitaw ma-paralyze ang atong mga manok, and then naa siya mga bukol or something mga inana bitaw. And then, what are the symptoms and to prevent these diseases? Ang symptoms na makita nato sa atong bird, first is depression, loss of muscle mass, partial paralysis, drop dilation, and blindness. Kana ang mabuta ang atong mga manok or something nga mag-blue ang ilang mata. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening. The second reporter is, I think, Palay or Galanita. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. And the next reporter is Cusido. It's all about diseases about turkey and peafall and poultry chicken. Prevention and control. Vaccination is the central strategy for the prevention and control of the Marek disease, along with strict sanitation to reduce or delay its exposure and by breeding. First, some prevention and control. First, immunization at time of hearts like long potation. No treatment has been found yet. Vaccination prevents tumors but doesn't prevent the virus. Also keep facilities clean and don't bring in foreign birds and don't visit other chicken farms. Mareks can be vaccinated for within 3 days of birth. Diseases of peafall and poultry chicken. Infectious of disease of peafall cause the whole spectrum of etiological or causative agents including virus like bacteria, fungi, protozoan, worms, and external parasites. The peafall would certainly be included in this group of birds. The peafall pavus cristatus is a bird the size of a turkey can affect their health and productivity. That's all.
Good evening, ma'am. So this is my report, Group 5. My report is common disease of peafall. Number 1 is Newcastle disease or ND. It's an acute rapid spreading respiratory diseases that is caused by virus. The duration of ND or Newcastle disease is about 14 days. So, ang kadugadyon ani na virus na makaapekto sa manok is 14 days siya. Since there is no effective medication against ND, since waya kunoy kanang tambay or medication na maka-prevent ani na sakit, but it must be prevented or controlled by vaccination. Dili man waya man ni si Jay tambay na sakit kining hindi, pero naa si Jay vaccination, makontrol si Jay kuan sa pamagitan ng vaccination. So vaccination accompanied by excellent husbandry at all times. So amo na to na kibali ang vaccination amoy makakontrol sa kini na sakit na Newcastle disease. So what are the symptoms? So unsa man mga sintomas aning ND or Newcastle disease? Loss of appetite. So mawayan si jag kanang gana mo kaon na kanang manok gani na pag mawayan og kanang kaon, isa po sila sa symptoms of Newcastle disease. Coughing, kanang magubo-ubo. So yak mo kabayo unsa na magubo-ubo ng manok upod ko kita, pero makuan na gadud na gasping, kanang murag kanang mukabayo unsa gasping. So, proceed. Watery eyes, kanang magluha iyang mata. Amo nang isa pod sa Newcastle disease kuan symptoms. Tapos bright green diarrhea, kana kunong makalibang si jag kanang bright na kanang makaiti si jag green na bright green nada na mga iti, maunang isa pod ka symptoms. Nervous signs such as paralysis and convulsion. So may baw-an pod nimo na naa si jag Newcastle disease or hindi pag ma-paralyze siya or kibali di siya kapanaw na aras siya magpungko, tapos mag-conversion or kanang magkirig-kirig na di siya og kuan kalit. So diri proceed sa prevention and control. Prevention and control program for Newcastle disease has been authorized under the Biosecurity Act 2014. So naigihimo na act about sa prevention and control sa Newcastle disease. Sa Newcastle disease na ay act na ikibali panilaw na kinahanglan ma-prevent siya. So kini kuno ang ang sa prevention ani na kini na law na sa prevention vaccination. So surely kini na Newcastle disease is makontrol man siya sa vaccination. Tapos number 2 is preventing vaccine system of birds, kibali preventing vaccine ma-prevent siya sa pamamagitan ng vaccine of birds. Amo nang here is some of prevention kibali ang maihatag sa kini na law. So boosting immune system of birds, kibali kini na vaccine or kini na prevention is maka-boost siya sa mga immune system sa manok. So kanang pag maluya imong manok, siya kibali amoy makahatag og energy or makakuha ng immune system or para gani dili siya dali masakit. Biosecurity. So kini biosecurity kanang kinaprotektahan siya sa mga kuan biosecurity. Ginaprotektahan siya sa ija kuan sa ija environment na murag na ang pasabot. Minimizing stress on birds. So makatabang po siya pagpaubos or pag kuan gani kanang pagpaubos sa stress sa birds kanang makuan ba siya kanang malisen ang ka-stress kibali makuha ng stress sa mga manok. Quarantine measures kibali kini is ang pasabot na ako sa quarantine measures is masukod kung hantod kanos sila na naa sa kulungan or nanay murag amoy ako kuan proper management, kibali amo pud ni siya amoy makahatag og sakto na management na sakto pagpangalaga sa manok. Tapos killing of Newcastle disease, kini na makaprevent pud siya na makapatay sa mga disease sa manok or sa mga sakit sa manok. Rearing of disease-free poultry flocks. Ang pasabot na ko sa rearing kanang murag si shield or disease-free poultry flocks kibali dili na siya matakdan og mga disease sa ako ha. Proper disposal of dead birds, kibali dili mahibaw-an kung ug malain ba ang mga manaprosita sa proper disposal of dead birds. Proper disposal of dead birds mao kibali nay makaingon ta na malain siya, kibali malain ang manok sa healthy o dili healthy, para mahibaw-an kung asa dapit ang manok na magpatajay na asa dapit na manok ang healthy pa. Regular surveillance of carrier birds. Yung pasabutan ng regular surveillance of carrier birds. Pasensya na. Kini. Number 2. Proceed sa number 2. Fowl pox or FP. It is a relatively slow spreading disease caused by virus that is transmitted primary by the bite of infected mosquitoes. Kibali kining fowlpox is makuha siya sa virus na gikan sa mosquito na kanang gibanga. So the pox virus replicates or reproduce in epithelial tissues, hence lesions confined to unfeathered areas on the skin. Kibali kini na fowlpox is replicates kibali ang binangaan sa manok mag-replicates kibali mag-produce si jag epithelial tissue na maoy maka na di po siya mag-produce sa mga areas na unfeathered kanang way karadyo balahibo. So conjunctiva of the eye and throat area. Yung kasabot sa dapit ang conjunctiva tapos ang ija dapit na tirahon na area is sa eye tapos sa diri sa throat, diri sa liog. Fowlpox is a true pox in that lesions are raised, scabby and crater-like with the scab firmly attached until the lesions is held. Kibali kini murag siguro ning para sa ato murag katoy na kana ganing mga untag lamok mamurot murag sa ila puding ana pud ang ila lamang kay lahi ang ila kay murag mulala si tapos murag dugay si madadyaw murag hubag ang ilang ato ang hubag man pero pag pila ka adlaw madadyaw ra man pero ang ilang murag mulala. So treatment will include vaccination of flock before or during the outbreak, mosquito control, and topical treatment of pox lesions with the skin antiseptic. Kibali kini na treatment, kibali kini vaccination na pud amoy maka-prevent ani. Tapos during the outbreak, kibali amo ni maka-prevent sa mga mosquito control, kibali murag makakuan siya maka-prevent siya tropical treatment pox lesions with skin antiseptic. Tapos ito na vaccination maka-prevent siya sa mga mosquito or kanang sa iyang mga panit na madadyaw. What are the symptoms? So unsa may mga sintomas sa fowlpox? Scabs or wart-like lesions on the comb, waters, eyelids, face, and feet. So laang na kaina amo to nang ang affected ato na naa sa comb o naabangan sa pako. Waters diri sa eyelids daw tapos sa ija sa ija wayong ug sa ija tiil sa ijang foul. Tapos eyelid swelling and eye cell shut or scab over. So amo tilang nakaina na murag manghubag siya na murag mamagnet na murag lain ang color. Kibali ang eyelid swelling murag kanang magluha gyapon siya pare siya sa katong Newcastle pero naay iba na dili naiban na magka-like silang symptoms. Eye cell shut murag hubag lagi siya na murag magluha murag magtubig. Yellow carter lesions in the mouth. Ibali sa ija kuno canter na ako ni yellow magyelo kuno dia sa ija dapat sa ija mouth. With loss kanang magkuan siya kanang magniwang siya tapos low of appetite na dili siya hingaon tapos reduce water consumption dili po siya hinginom ng tubig. So maunang mga sintomas sa fowlpox disease. So maura ni, that's all. Thank you ma'am.